Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. We're going to be doing a home tour. I'm out here at Pulte Homes. The community is Liberty, and this is nestled between Southern Highlands and the Silverado Ranch area. It's conveniently located for shopping, schools, and also easy access to the I-15 and 215 Beltway. Now, this week we're going to be looking at the model. It's the Franklin. This is 3,021 square feet. This can be anywhere from 4 to 5 bedrooms depending upon how you design the house. And before we do anything, let's go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with the latest information and videos that I have to come out with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful home tour. What a beautiful home. Now, if you have any questions at all, please go ahead and comment down below, or go ahead and text me or call me if this home is a home that you may be interested in, or a builder that you may be interested, or even if it's not, if you're interested in another builder or a model home or another resale home, please do give me a call. I want to be your #1 resource here in the greater Las Vegas area. And thanks for tuning in again. Take care.